I guess DJI has figured out how to make the FPV drone go through a tree. That's amazing. It can literally dematerialize itself and put itself on the other side of the object. I mean, like, that is just amazing. DJI has wow. Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit differently, because normally on this channel I review real FPV drones that I physically have in my hand, and I won't review something unless it's actually in my hand. But the DJI FPV Drone simulator recently added the PlayStation 4 controller support, so you can play it with PS4 or an Xbox controller. Now, this simulator is official, it's made by DJI, and I thought it would be fun for me to try this simulator out. This is probably the closest that I'm going to get to being able to fly the DJI FPV drone, at least for a while, because at this point I don't have any intention to buy it. I am already invested in the DJI digital FPV system itself. I've had the DJI FPV goggles for well over a year now, and I absolutely love them. These are my version 1, and this is my self-built DJI FPV system craft with the air unit and all that stuff. So I do love their digital system, but that being said, I'm not interested in their FPV drone at this time. But I feel like the simulator can maybe give me a taste of it, and you guys can watch and laugh and see how I do with it. Now, even though this simulator is supposed to be designed to be as close to the FPV drone as possible, me using the PlayStation 4 controller is going to throw it off significantly. The gimbals on this are simply not going to be as accurate as the real controller, but hopefully we can still just use it to just scratch the surface, and I think it should be fun. Alright, so I am in manual mode. I'm going to try to do this in manual mode right out of the gate and see how it goes. This should be really, really interesting. Alright, sweet. And we're off. Okay. So this is interesting. And alright. Let's do a flip. Alright. And there's a little loop. Just kind of getting the feel for this thing right now. Instead of taking... Oh, whoa. Okay, I'm still learning the throttle on this thing. I think I may already feel what some of the people who have said that this thing feels a little heavy are talking about. I'm giving it gas there. It's taking a little bit to get to... Let's see, I'm doing 23 meters a second, 26. Okay. Let's do the dive here. I'm in manual mode. This is all manual. Oh boy. I mean, this is what I'm used to flying, so I kind of just wanted to do this first. I'll try the other mode, like normal and sport, but I feel like they're going to be really boring for me. So, it'll be interesting to just start in manual mode first. You know what? I think I want to just raise the camera angle just a little bit. Alright, a little bit more angle here. Alright, cool. Let's try to go through here. Oh, power loop! But not the stuff. Oh, they're... Back to DJI care for me. Strike number 1. Because this, throttle here on the PlayStation controller is not loose, it's set to go to center. This is not really ideal for flying FPV, and I can't change the spring in the PlayStation controller easily. Oh, hit the gap, oh no, I failed. Let's try this again. Can we go down the stack, and can we hit the gap? Oh, nope, we're hitting the side, but we're not hitting the gap. Oh my god, that's just embarrassing. Alright, let's try to see if we can do that gap. Can we do the gap? Can we fly the gap? Come on. Oh, just barely. Come on. Oh, nope. Too far up. Hit the gap. Come on, we can do this. Yeah, buddy! You did it. Alright, cool. Okay. Oh. Wow. This is ridiculous. Alright, I gotta get out. Oh, now I've officially crashed. Now I crashed. Now the app says I've crashed. So I guess all the other times the drone was good. I guess that's why this map is still in beta, because you can literally go right... You can literally go right through this tree. Oh my god. You know what? If I just dive the tower, then I look like a pro. I really haven't had any trouble diving the tower very much so far. Oh my god. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna just do something else. Let's do the other map now. Oh boy, oh boy. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh man, oh, what? Whoa, the speed's just incredible. What is happening? Okay, so this is in normal mode. Let's see. Alright, so I guess because it's stabilizing itself in normal mode, it's not gonna give me trouble. Okay. I'm gonna go sport mode because that feels kind of boring, and this will at least give me an idea of how sport mode feels. We gotta talk about that. We'll go. I don't know what's going on with the throttle in this parking garage. It just seems kind of messed up. Like before you even get a chance to start, the thing wants to just go up into the thing. Maybe it has to do with the spring, the throttle. It's going to throttle mid, and I don't know what kind of settings they have to. Whoa. Settings they have to compensate for it on here, but yeah. Okay, so this is interesting. So the manual mode, sport mode, I kind of see what some of the YouTubers are talking about with that hybrid pitch and yaw stuff that they're talking about here. Okay, this is not bad. This is a pretty good cruise here. Okay. That was another trip to DJI Care there. Oh, this is requiring such painfully ridiculous throttle control. Oh man. Oh my god. Yeah, forget it. I can't. Nope. I can't do this in manual mode on here, guys. And that's not really be the drone's fault. That's just my fault with the controller, honestly. It feels different. The map just seems to feel different. Let's go back to the factory, and we'll do... Yeah, let's do track number 4, the advanced track. Let's do that, because... Throttle up to ascend. Okay, sweet. So we got it. Oh, I can try to go through the gates. Oh, nice. No, I'm not gonna hit that gate. Oh! Alright. Oh, they've got a little path for you to follow. That's kind of cool. Oh! Wow. I guess, how do I feel after flying this simulator? It at least did seem to match some of the opinions of the reviewers on YouTube to me. I kind of got an understanding of what they mean by how this thing flies. You definitely have to be really heavy on the throttle to avoid crashing. I don't know if in real life it's a little bit better than that, but I definitely feel the heaviness. I feel that, wow, this is a heavy drone compared to all the other quads that I've either built or bought. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed flying the sim with me today, and maybe if at some point I come across the DJI FPV drone for cheap, I will pick it up and there will be a review of it here on this channel. But for right now, this is gonna be it for me. I'm pretty happy with what I have in the traditional FPV world, and that is what I do here on this channel. If you're new, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, and you'll see more FPV related stuff from me, just traditional FPV stuff. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm gonna go do some flying. You guys take care.
Breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.